In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Google Chrome auto sign-in in just a few simple steps. If you've ever noticed Chrome signing you in automatically when you use Google websites and you want a little more control over that behavior, this tutorial is for you. We'll walk through the exact setting you need to turn off so Chrome stops automatically linking your browser sign-in with your Google account. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your system is set up. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corners of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of the browser settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page in a new tab. Now on the left-hand side, look for the section called You and Google and click it. This area is where Chrome manages your account connection, sync settings, and sign-in behavior. Next, click Sync and Google Services. Once you open that section, you'll see additional Google account and privacy options appear. Now scroll through the list until you find the option called Allow Chrome Sign-in. This is the setting that controls whether Chrome automatically signs you into the browser when you sign into a Google website. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. When it's turned off, Chrome will stop automatically signing you into the browser in the background. That means you will have a little more separation between using Google services in the browser and being fully signed into Chrome itself. This can be helpful if you share a device, want more privacy, or just prefer to manage your browser sign-in manually. Once the setting is off, you can close the Settings tab and continue browsing as usual. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Google Chrome auto sign-in. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over your browser account behavior. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome settings guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.